The only way to build wealth is to work for somebody else for the next 40 years just to retire on less money than you couldn't already live off of for the first 40 years. Just kidding, just kidding. That's not the way. There's a lot of ways to become an entrepreneur, to make money in real estate investing, all different asset classes. So we've developed something called Legacy Wealth Academy. I'm Tim Bratz. I own a real estate investment company. We own over 4,000 apartments, and we teach people how to scale into apartments. But there's a lot of different ways to make money. And because of this need that we've seen in the marketplace, we've created a library of different classes on each one of these different topics. I have a lot of friends in the industry who are some of the top industry experts in all these different asset classes.
We are the bank for the money in deals now.
I'm going to teach you guys and talk a lot about how to properly leverage in your business.
How do you raise money with other people's money and stack it up in a way that the SEC says is okay?
We're really excited to help dial you in.
I want to congratulate you first on taking the very first step.
Are you convinced yet that mobile home park investing is a great vehicle?
If I can do it, you can do it too.
We have courses on each one of these different ways to make money, save money, and multiply your money. It is the ultimate wealth building library for less than $10 a month. It is the highest value at the lowest price point of anything that's out on the market right now. So if this is something that you're interested in, please click the link below. You can go to LW Academy, like Legacy Wealth Academy, lwacademy.com, and sign up today. There's courses available right now in the library that you can access immediately, and we drop new courses every single month. So get ready for the new releases, and we'll always be bringing more and more value any way that we possibly can. Look forward to building some wealth together.